Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have a live photo, now start converting. Open Photos and pick the live photo you want. Once selected, swipe up to reveal effects, live, loop, bounce, long exposure, and choose loop or bounce if you want motion repeated, choose long exposure for blur. If you need a standard video, tap share, then save as video, that renders the full clip. Make sure to keep original live photo backed up before editing because some effects overwrite frames in place. Once you save as video, check the result in recents. Playback should match the live photo duration. If you need only part of the action, tap Edit on the live photo first and drag the trim handles to isolate the 1-3 second moment, then export. For frame rate, stabilization, or slow-mo control, import the saved video into iMovie or a mobile editor. Then adjust speed, crop, and export settings. Remember, preserving original resolution avoids recompression artifacts, so export at native size when possible. To finalize, pick your export quality and share the MP4 via messages or upload directly to cloud storage. Choose iMovie Export for custom resolution. If audio is missing, verify the live photo originally recorded sound, then reattach audio in an editor. If the conversion errors or the video is corrupted, make sure you have enough free storage, update iOS to the latest minor release, and restart the Photos app or device. This resolves most transient export glitches. Finally, test the saved file on another player to confirm compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.